This morning I tackled the cupboards. Really scary stuff. The only cupboards that weren't scary were those ones above the fridge. Unfortunately, there's this tiny little cupboard here. It's, I guess, supposed to be a spice cupboard. Anyway, on the first floor, we had, and I don't know how long it's been sitting there, but it looks like green food coloring had spilled, and it was gooped up and started leaking out down below here. You can see there was a crack right here, and it started coming through. It was just gooped in green food coloring. That's level 1. Level 2, we had, I don't know if it was dried spices that were God knows how many years old, and a billion toothpicks in blue food coloring goo. So it's sad. I literally cannot clean it up enough. And this is just level 1 cleaning. Then you look here, and they had put down some of that green stuff. Well, it won't come off. Yeah, I've tried. You can't scrape it off. And these are solid cupboards. To take these down, it's back when they used to make real cupboards, and I wanted to keep them. And I might still keep them, but they never removed the green. So I've got to go through and see what I can scrape up. It looks like I was able to scrape up some there. But for the most part, it's going to take me all day to clean the inside of these cupboards. I didn't know what I was going to find. I knew it was terrifying when I looked in there the first time. I was like, not understanding how people could be this dirty. So the trash can, you can see these cupboards were empty. And I have this huge trash can full of stuff that I took out of them. To them, they emptied the cupboards. How did I get like half a garbage bag full of stuff out of empty cupboards? I will never know. But part of it is those green things, and then everything else they left in there. Very overwhelming day. See ya. This is why you want to thoroughly clean things. I've got, let's see. I've got this. I have to scrape the green off, but pretty much it's clean. There was a little spider egg nests up in there. I had to clean down in that crack. And most of the blue came off, the blue food coloring. This is ruined forever. That's where the green food coloring was. Scraped it as good as I could. And then, these cupboards, they don't look too bad. They're a mess, but they're real wood, and so they're worth keeping. They just need to be thoroughly cleaned. But here was a bit surprising to me. Look at this wall. What is that? They're moving. Yeah. So, when you buy a fixer-upper, these people a lot of times don't clean. I've never seen anything like this, but I've only been flipping for about 6 years. So yeah, that's disgusting. Those guys are gonna go bye-bye. I don't know what you are, but I know you're gross, and whatever's on this shelf is what they're eating. So that's got to be thoroughly scraped and sprayed and This may be where they kept their flour or something, and maybe those are mealworms. Anyway, yeah, nice surprise. This is what I expect a cupboard to look like. I'm just getting it to that point so that I can actually move in, because I have to move in 8 days or less, like a week. I have a week. That's how I've been cleaning these. And then what I'll do is I'll put a liner down. On top of this. And call it good. Been using white vinegar. Put a little white vinegar on here. Vinegar is amazing. Much better. At least, you know, I can look at them. All right. I just wanted to show you the process.